It's informative. It's healthy. And it's the news. Welcome to the Health Connection. Welcome to this month's special edition, Housing is Healthcare.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I am Kishai Martin, Health Promotion Peer Navigator for Care Resource and your host for the Health Connection. Today's episode is about housing is healthcare, and I have two special guests with me today. I would love for them to introduce themselves. First, we have Francisco. Please let us know your name and your job title.
Hi, good afternoon. Thank you for the opportunity, Kishai. My name is Francisco Gomez. I'm Housing Services Manager for Care Resource and the manager for Day and Broward, and I'm working from Care Resource since 2009.
Awesome. Thank you for being here today. Appreciate it very much. And next, we have Mary Fer La Cruz.
Hi, thank you, Kichai, for the invitation. My name is Marifer La Cruz. I'm the Senior Housing Case Manager at Broward. I have been working since 2017 with Care Resource.
Awesome. So thank you all for being here once again. I'm actually glad we're doing this episode. There's been a lot of questions over the years about housing, so I'm glad we get to address them. And the first would be housing services. What are the housing programs offered by Care Resource, and do they differ by county? Either one of you can go first.
Well, let's start first. So housing is, we have a program that called HOPWA. HOPWA is Housing Opportunity with people with HIV or AIDS. So we help people in Day and Broward. I'm going to speak a little bit about Day, and Marifer is going to speak about Broward. In Dade County, we have a program that called PHP, or Permanent Housing Place, or Moving Assistant, that we help the client to provide moving costs first and security deposit. And also, we have another program that called STREAMU, that means short-term rent, mortgage, and utility. And when the client have any circumstance, we help the client to pay the rent, the mortgage, and utility. This is the basic program in Dade County. Marifer, go ahead.
Thank you, Francisco. In Broward County, we do have two programs, which is PHP, Permanent Housing Place, which is moving costs, assist the client with the moving costs, and STREAMU, which is short-term rent, mortgage and utility, which assist the clients with past due rent, mortgage, and utility.
Awesome. Thank you all for sharing that information. And the next question is going to be, who qualifies for assistance? When it comes to housing assistance and programs, how does one qualify for this?
Well, all document clients that have a resident or citizen in United States or is in process to get legalized here. So people with HIV and people who is resident in Dade County or Broward County. For PHP or moving costs, they must have income to pay the future monthly expenses, including rent. And also with the STREAMU, or rental, mortgage, and utility assistance, they have to have any circumstance that they are not able to pay the rent, mortgage, and utility. And also they have to have a plan of action, the how they can avoid this situation. And sometimes when the client is coming from another state or they don't have the 6 months in each county, so we can ask for a waiver to the city in order to write down a hardship and also explain to the city if they can allow him to help with the program without the 6 months.
Mary Fer, is there anything you'd like to add to that?
Yes, same in Broward. The qualification should be they must be HIV positive, okay, and also they have to be resident United States, and also be Broward County residents as well, at least for 6 months.
Okay, awesome. I have another question, and this is, what is legal aid? Does Care Resource offer legal aid assistance to help those dealing with evictions or landlord disputes?
Yes, in Dade County, we have a pro bono lawyers that they can help with eviction situation, and also they work with the landlord to do the stipulation letter, because we want to pay for sure if the client qualify. And also in Dade County, we assist to the client when they are in the court and with the judge. So we explain today what we're doing for the client, and the client have the application, and also if the client have possibility and we want to pay the rent, so, or the mortgage when it's the bank. So, and we working on it with the client, and the pro bono lawyer help them from the beginning in order to avoid the eviction situation. So this is in Dade.
Right. Mary Fair?
In Broward County, we do have legal services as well. The legal services can assist the client. For example, for PHP, they review their lease and they check that everything is okay for the tenant. And for a streaming, they can also assist the clients with stipulations letters as well. And also they can assist them in the court.
Okay, great. I actually have two bonus questions for the both of you. The first one would be about how many clients are benefiting from the services in each county?
Well, this is an excellent question. So since 2009 that we have this program, we help more than 8,000 clients.
Wow.
with rent, mortgage, and utility. In Dade County, we help with the state program more than 500 clients, because this is a new in Dade, because we only have in Broward. So we have a lot of clients. So in Broward, we held this year 643 clients so far, and the fiscal year is ending in October, in September 30th. So yeah, this is we had a lot of clients.
That's really awesome. And I have another question, and this goes for both of you. Obviously, we're still going through a pandemic, and I know that has changed the way that we operate and communicate and serve the population. But are there any things that have helped you move forward and push through to still be able to give clients the services they need?
But actually, yes, I have a client and testimony clients that, for example, I had 3 clients we help with mortgage, and we pay more than $20,000 in order that he avoid the situation through the CARE Act for the pandemic. I have another one we paid $12,000, and I have another one that I pay $9,000, and it's ahead of my mind. So, but we help a lot of clients. So we go forward more and beyond our capacity. So Care Resort and housing is very close with the client, with the commitment, competence. We are get more than 100% to provide assistance to all the clients. Also, we have some support services because sometimes we have some undocumented client, and we have some little resources. It's very, very limited, but we try to help everybody, because remember, if you have housing, we try to suppress the viral law, because housing helps to avoid or suppress the viral law for the client, because without housing, you can take your medication. And this is the plan of care. And also we make our plan of care with the clients, and we check all the time how his T-cell, how his viral load. We provide food, is in care with that one, because it's part of the housing. Housing case manager is an integral component that we can check her home situation, her social situation, if they need behavioral health, if they need to be testing with different opportunity illness, also with the vaccination. Care Resort provides vaccination for all the clients. So I'm so glad to work in Care Resort. I'm so excited, and it's like emotion to me because Care Resort support the client, and always we try to get many resources in order to provide to our Dade and Broward County community population.
Thank you, Francisco. That was really great and really powerful. I'm glad that you all are finding solutions through a very difficult time. And to Marifer, is there anything you'd like to add in regards to how you all are pushing forward and still supporting the clients you have through the pandemic?
Yes, I guess that the most important thing is that we are still working with compassion, competence, and commitment, not only for our clients, for all the community. So we're still working, and we are open to receive as many clients as it can, because we are able to do so.
Awesome. I'm glad you all are here. I see all of the hard work you do. You are appreciated, and you are welcome to join us here anytime on the Health Connection. I'm so glad you all were able to give us a bit more information about housing. So again, my name's Kishai Martin. I was joined today with Francisco Gomez and Marifer La Cruz of the Housing Department in both Broward and Miami-Dade. Thank you all so much for watching the Health Connection, and I look forward to seeing you all again another time. Take care, and thank you all so much.
Thank you, Kishai.
Thank you, Kisha.
You're welcome.
Don't forget to like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Care Resource, or follow us on Twitter at Care Resource FL, or subscribe at youtube.com/Care Resource. For more information or to find a location near you, visit us online at careresource.org.